Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing about my experience with Stay Glad, which is an initiative that brings beauty services to your home. I recently booked their manicure, pedicure and waxing services and I really liked it, so I thought of making a video and sharing with you all. There's nothing like sitting at home in weekends and getting the services done. To book the service, all you have to do is just download this Stay Glad app in your mobile or launch their website. Then choose the category of service that you want to take. So I went for hands and feet. Then choose the particular service. So I went for paraffin manicure and paraffin pedicure. If you want, you can just add in 2 more services that you want. If everything is fine, you can just proceed. Choose your preferred date and timing. And that's it, you are done. You can place your order now and you can choose to pay later after taking the services or right away. At your given timing and date, the Stay Glad people will be at your doorstep with their own kit. I like the fact that they bring their own sheets and the girl will only be doing all the setup, so you don't have to do anything extra from your end. In terms of the services, it's exactly the same as how it's done in a normal parlor. There's no compromise in terms of the quality of product used or the procedure followed in doing a particular service. I'm just sharing you some glimpses from the service I took and how it was done, so you can just have a feel of how professional and efficient they are. All you have to do is just sit back, relax, enjoy your show, let her do her service, and that's it. So now she's done with scrubbing, filing and all that. It's time to put the paraffin wax. She's just putting the wax, let it melt and then she'll spread it over. Meanwhile, she's giving me a good massage. This is one of my favorite part in paraffin wax, pedicure and manicure. Finally, add a nail paint of your choice and your hands are done. Now she is just applying a bit of paraffin wax to my legs and then she'll be wrapping it in the plastic sheet and let it sit for some time so that there is a nice moisturization, and then she'll take it off and apply some bit of cream over. While she is doing her services, you can actually sit back, relax at the comfort of your home, catch on to some serials, watch some movies, read magazines, books, talk to friends, anything that you like to do in your free time. I really love the fact that you don't have to waste 1 or 2 hours in parlor. How cute is Salman looking in this movie, right? And off it goes. I really enjoyed the services I took from Stay Glad and I will be definitely looking for more. There's nothing like bringing parlor to home. Thank you, Stay Glad. Head on to my blog thepinkprince.com for a more detailed review. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel The Pink Prince. Thank you. Bye-bye.